plastics. Let's do that again. Plastics. They're everywhere, and we use them all the time to keep safe, to keep hygienic, and most importantly for today, tea.
Singapore uses 1.76 billion plastics each year, and only 6% of that gets recycled. The rest of it gets combusted, releasing things we don't need into the air, or sit in landfills where they can take hundreds to thousands of years to break down.
The F&B industry is one of the largest contributors to this waste, and COVID-19 hasn't really made it any better. Most of the plastics we use in packaging food are polyethylene plastics, and those guys, they don't make life easy for any of us. So here's what we recommend.
Instead of just hiding those straws and forcing those caps, let's take things a step forward, a starchy step forward. Let's put steel aside for now and zoom in. The production of polystyrene plastics produces 10.1 kg of carbon emission, whereas starch-based thermoplastic, this number is down to 6.7. That's the things you don't want in your air.
These plastics work and function just like any plastic would, but they take less time and resources to bring back into the environment. So you would let these immortals go on their merry way.
Sustainability in Singapore involves all of us. So how can we get consumers to be involved? By putting up even the smallest signages around your shop, consumers can understand the importance of sustainability in the F&B industry and feel more compelled to support the cause. By educating consumers the benefits of starch-based plastics, consumers will feel a sense of responsibility, thus providing them a form of encouragement for them to support the cause in the future.
The plastics we are using now will be our lifespans for generations to come. We only use these plastics once, so why not switch them to starch-based thermoplastics? A small move for a sustainable Singapore.